So today I'm gonna be servicing the diff and cleaning it up because last video my homie Clint welded it up and just put it back together without remove the cap, fill it with a little bit of acetone. Look at all that shit. You're gonna open this drain plug, which is the 14 on the 1/2 inch. You can open this up, and if you're trying to service your diff while it's in the car, you're probably not gonna be able to do this because there's barely any space. But if you get a small enough socket, might fit, but it's gonna be a bitch. So I got that off, and what it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be like 1.8. But what I do is I'll just fill it until it starts leaking out of this one a little bit. Then I'll put the drain plug back in, and then you know you're good. So now I'm done servicing the diff. It's pretty much ready to get put back in, but I'm gonna clean it. So thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a lot of work to that car right there, and it's gonna be fun.